Alma Harmony, how to open the cover. There is two screws in the back here. You just open them with a Phillips screwdriver. One here, one here. Once you take this out, you can open the machine. You can open the cover. Once you open the cover, if you look from the front of the machine, you go to the left, you're gonna have this part. You're gonna have to open these four screws. You're gonna have one screw here, one screw here, one here, and one here. So once you open this cover, so you're gonna have an excess. You take this cover out. Okay, the fuse is sitting right here. If you see the green fuse, it can be a brown or green. Okay, you're gonna have an excess also from here. This is the fuse. So once you have this, you take a flat screwdriver. Okay, you take a flat screwdriver. You go under the fuse. Look what I'm doing now. You're gonna go under the fuse, and you're gonna push it up. Okay, once you push it up, so I don't wanna. Okay, push it up. Then with your finger, you can just take it out. Okay, this is the fuse. Okay, and to push it back in, just push it inside. Make sure it gets locked inside. This is the fuse. Okay, and make sure it's in the center. Then you put back this cover. Second, this cover. The opening is in the back. So you open it, you take the screws, put one, put two, and you just lock it. You put the other one here, then you just close the machine, and you can put the screws in the back, but you can try it on. Make sure that the machine, the power, you can take it out, the cable, and turn the machine off. Don't work with the power while the machine is on.